Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a Rossler attractor pattern using Python. So let us start this by importing the required libraries. So, NumPy is used for numerical operations and matplotlib.pyplot is used for plotting, and solve IVP from SciPy is numerically solve different equations. So now we'll define the Rossler system, which are the differential equation. So function Rossler return derivatives dx by dt, dy by dt and dz by dt for a given state x, y and z, and parameters ABC control system behavior. So the Rossler system is a famous chaotic system. So, and now we will set initial conditions. So starting point of the system in 3D space, which is x is equals to 0, y is equals to 1 and z is equals to 0. And now we'll define time interval and elevation points. So here time interval is time which ranges from 0 to 100. So this defines 10,000 evenly spaced points where the solution is calculated. So for now we'll numerically solve the ODE system. So this uses solve IVP to integrate the Rossler system over time, which is high accuracy is required and requested with the rtol is equals to 1e minus a. So now we'll extract the solutions for it. and this extract arrays of xyz values from the solution at each time point. And now we'll create 3D plot. So this creates a new figure with size 6 by 6 inches and adds a 3D subplot for plotting. So now we'll plot the Rossler trajectory. So this plots a 3D curve traced by xyz over time and line width which is 0.5 and color purple. And now we'll set plot title and axis label. So ax.setTitle sets a suitable title to the plot and ax.setX, Y and Z label sets the suitable labels for the required axis, and at last we will display the plot with plt.show. So here we can see a Rossler attractor pattern. So thanks for watching this video.